Welcome everyone to another exciting comparison. Today we will compare powerful 3D generation models. This comparison focuses on mesh generation quality using Hunyuan 3D and Trellis2 workflows. Let's discover which model performs better today. First, open your ComfyUI Easy Install package. Run the Flash Attention Startup file. Double-click and wait until everything loads. After ComfyUI opens, we need the workflow. The workflow link is available below. Open the link to access the files. You will find two different workflows there. One is for Hunyuan 3D generation. The second workflow is for Trellis2. You will also find the image folder. Download both workflow files first. Now open the image folder. There are 4 test images available. They are different sculpture reference images. We only want to test mesh generation. Texture generation is not required today. Simply download all the provided files. Open your downloads folder afterwards. You should see both workflows and images. Let's import the Trellis2 workflow first. The workflow is now successfully loaded. No additional settings need changing. Simply import your reference image here. The mesh uses 1 million faces. You can increase or reduce this value. Leave the remaining settings unchanged. Now click Run and start generation. Wait until the model finishes processing. Our first model is now ready. Let's inspect the generated mesh carefully. The overall geometry looks very detailed. The silhouette closely matches the reference image. Surface details are captured quite well. However, some holes remain inside the mesh. Those artifacts may require later cleanup. Overall, the mesh quality is impressive. Now let's generate the second sculpture. Later, we will compare with Hunyuan 3D. Keep the same output file name. Click Run and wait for completion. The second model has finished generating. Let's inspect the second result carefully. Only one shoulder was generated correctly. The opposite shoulder is missing completely. Besides that, the mesh looks clean. The proportions remain very close to reference. Surface quality is also quite consistent. There are almost no visible holes. Overall, this result looks very impressive. Let's continue with the third example. Run the workflow once again. Wait until generation is completed. Our third model is now ready. Most holes have been filled automatically. Let's inspect the final mesh quality. The face lacks some fine details. Finger generation looks surprisingly accurate. The geometry remains clean and usable. Only a few small artifacts are visible. Overall, the generated mesh looks solid. Now, let's generate the final sculpture. Run the workflow one final time. Wait until processing is finished completely. Our final Trellis2 model is ready. Let's examine the generated result carefully. The proportions look balanced and natural. Finger generation is clean and accurate. No extra fingers are visible anywhere. Large holes are also completely absent. Surface quality appears smooth and consistent. This is our strongest Trellis2 result so far. Now let's compare the Hunyuan 3D workflow. Open your downloads folder again. Import the Hunyuan 3D workflow into ComfyUI. A red node may appear initially. Simply load the correct model again. Select the same reference image again. Leave every other setting unchanged. Click Run and begin the generation process. Wait until the model finishes processing. Our first Hunyuan 3D model is ready. Let's inspect the generated mesh carefully. The overall mesh looks clean and stable. The geometry follows the reference reasonably well. Surface quality appears smooth in most areas. However, the background was not removed completely. A background remover can fix this easily. Unlike Trellis2, both shoulders were generated. That is a noticeable improvement here. Now let's continue with the second example. Load the next reference image. Run the workflow once again. Wait until generation is completed. Our second model is now ready. The overall mesh is less detailed. Fine surface details are missing here. The geometry looks slightly rough overall. Additional cleanup may be required later. Blender can improve this result significantly. Trellis2 produced a more detailed mesh. Now let's generate the final example. Run the workflow one last time. Wait until generation is complete. Our final model is now ready. The silhouette matches the original reasonably well. Small facial details are still limited. Edges appear softer than Trellis2 results. The mesh remains usable for editing. Overall quality is acceptable for refinement. Let's compare both results inside Blender. Trellis2 preserves more surface details overall. Its geometry appears sharper and cleaner. Fine sculpted features are easier to recognize. Hunyuan 3D creates smoother overall surfaces. Some thicker shapes look cleaner here. Wing thickness is handled quite well, however smaller details remain less defined. The missing shoulder favors Hunyuan 3D. This model still benefits from refinement. Looking at the final comparison carefully, detail quality favors Trellis2 instead. Both models have different strengths overall. Choose according to your specific project. For highly detailed meshes, choose Trellis2. For cleaner basic shapes, choose Hunyuan 3D. That completes today's detailed comparison tutorial. I hope this comparison helped you. Tell me your favorite model below. Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more ComfyUI tutorials. More workflows and comparisons are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next tutorial.